Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into something that's truly close to my heart. What it means to be a Proverbs 31 woman. Now this isn't about being perfect wife or perfect mom. It's about becoming the woman God designed for you to be. Strong, wise, confident, full of grace. So if you ever wondered what it's meant to be a Proverbs 31 woman in today's world, then this video is just for you. So let's start with the basics. In Proverbs 31, 10 through 31, the Bible describes a woman who is called virtuous, strong, full of wisdom, hardworking, compassionate, trustworthy, and most importantly, she fears the Lord, meaning she respects Him. The key verse that sums it all up is Proverbs 31:30. And it reads, "Charm and grace are deceptive, and superficial beauty is vain. But a woman who fears the Lord reverently, worshiping, obeying, serving, and trusting Him with all filled respect, she shall be praised." So being a Proverbs 31 woman isn't about being perfect. It's about living a life that honors God in your home, on your job, in your relationships, and even in the way you carry yourself when no one's watching. So let's talk about some of the characteristics of a Proverbs 31 woman. First off, she's faithful, God-fearing, and her strength starts with her relationship with God. She's trustworthy. People know they can depend on her. She works hard, helps others, very generous. She's wise and kind, and her words bring life, not harm. And she carries herself with strength, dignity, knowing who she is in Christ. Now that's how I want to be seen. Not perfect, but of purpose. Now the big question is, how can we as women live like this today? Well, we can start by building a strong relationship with God, by spending time in prayer and studying His Word. Let your peace and confidence come from Him, not from social media and not from what people say about you. Walk in integrity and kindness. Be the same woman in private that you are in public. Speak love, not gossip, and work with excellence. In all you do it with your whole heart, as unto God. Here's the thing. Being a Proverbs 31 woman isn't about checking the boxes. It's about progress. It's about waking up each and every day saying, "Lord, help me. Help me to walk in wisdom. Help me to walk in strength and love today." And it doesn't matter what your status is. You can be married, single, a student, or a mom. God can use you right where you are to be a reflection of who He is. If this message encouraged you, please hit that like button and subscribe. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next video.